I'm Vishal Chitlangya. I've cleared my CA in the year 2015, and simultaneously I've also cleared BCom and MCom. Post which I had worked with PricewaterhouseCoopers, that is PwC, in Mumbai office in corporate and international tax division. There I worked for 3 years, but then I wanted to move from only tax domain to a larger business and finance domain. So then I decided to pursue MBA. So when I joined Endeavor last year, and I scored 99.59 percentile in CAT, and after going through the interview process at all the leading B schools, I'm happy to share that I've converted my admission at IIM Bangalore, and I'll be joining soon there. When I joined Endeavor, I had target that I want to join either IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, or Calcutta. I would have been at the happiest level if I would have got admission in any of three. And today I'm happy because I've got into IIM Bangalore. There are multiple things at Endeavor which have eased this process, me reaching to the gates of IIM Bangalore. So the first thing which I was surprised with, which I was very happy with, is the meticulous planning that the Endeavor team had done for all of us. Starting from the day one, okay, you need not worry about what to study, when to study, everything is planned for you. Whether it's starting from your fundamentals to giving chapter-wise, unit-wise tests, or going to the mocks. And even, I wouldn't say not only GDPI preparation, even after we have cracked our admissions or secured admissions, there have been sessions especially for us. Okay, now what you need to do in these 2 years, and also what things you need to take care of during the MBA and after MBA as well. So Endeavor has been and will be there for us, forever here, and I'm happy about that. With all my juniors or friends who have asked me, I've always focused that mock test and the all other test series is equally important what you study in class or what your concepts or fundamentals are. Because CAT is not only about knowing a concept and attempting and solving the answers, but it is also about strategy, how you approach the paper, how is your mindset for the 3-hour duration, then what kind of questions you need to attempt, which you'll be able to solve quickly and with more accuracy. So all these strategy, you cannot just gain these strategy and these insights about your exam day just by listening from someone else. You need to practice it thoroughly multiple times. So Endeavor's test series, especially about the mock test series which I speak, was exhaustive, I must say, because in few mocks you will get a easy paper, few will be difficult, very difficult, and majority of them will be a moderate one, or the level of difficulty each section wise, which the CAT exam has been in the past recent years. So you are adapted, or the simulation is such that you are prepared for any kind of paper, any kind of questions that may come in the final day. The quality, if I would say, in terms of the CAT preparation at Endeavor, if it's A, then the GDPI preparation is definitely A or A plus, I can say, because there were many value sessions, a dozen of value sessions being held for all of us to brush up the current affairs topics or to brush up the basic topics. Then there were series of mock interviews and group discussions being organized for us, that too specific to each of the colleges. So if I'm having my interview calls from 6 colleges, I'll have different panels, different mock interviews for all the interview calls. And also the one-to-one mentoring or the constructive feedback and true feedback which we get in our mock interviews is to the point, is on the point, and then it helps us to prepare ourselves for the final interviews. It has helped me a lot. What kind of topics you need to read, or what part of academics you need to read, what you need to do for anything that you need to do for the GDPI preparation. And after this extensive preparation, I was very confident in terms of appearing all my final interviews. And if I talk about the actual interview process, each college, the interview has been different for me. So if I talk about IIM Ahmedabad, which I appeared, so there the focus was a bit on academics, bit on current affairs like how about my view on India-China or the India-China relations or US-Iran relations, these may be. IIM Bangalore interview was more on my work experience and then the subjects or the topics around it. For example, in IIM Lucknow, I faced the surprising questions because when you are giving an answer, you are using good vocabulary. Then the interviewer stopped me and told me, okay, Vishal, you have given a good answer, but then can you differentiate between these two words which you have told, framework or strategy? So then while speaking, you might be speaking a lot, but then such kind of questions can also come, which are very to the point, and the interviews, I must say, are very smart to catch specific areas where they can go deep dive into 2 or 3 layers of questions. Mentorship at Endeavor has been a big asset for all the students, I must say, because whatever I've also heard from my peers or seniors, this is the first thing they say, okay, mentorship is the key there, because a mentor is there with you starting from the day 1 to the last day. Maybe it's just only that you are having a bad day, you are not able to study, or you did not score well in a particular test. Still, your mentor is there to help you analyze, okay, where did you go wrong, and motivate you continuously. And you may also go up to him, okay, sir or ma'am, I'm not able to plan my day. They are also ready to give enough time to help you, okay, how can you plan your day? So going to every detail, every nitty-gritties, your mentors are always there as a helping hand, just walking beside you to the journey. And they also share the same pride when you achieve something, because I had experienced this on when you have your results out for the CAT or for your interviews. Then they take the same pride which you take as if it is your own achievement. So that is the key, and that is the very good thing which we have experienced at Endeavor. So one is you need to be very meticulous in terms of your planning. So you plan for your day, okay, set a target for today, for this week, and for this month as well. So planning is the key, and make a written planning, so that if you have something on paper written visible in front of you, you'll be able to see, okay, where did I lag, or how much do I need to cover up in the next coming days or the coming weeks. So it is must. Second thing is you need to focus on mock test plus a larger focus on how do you analyze it. So once you have given the mock test, it is always advisable that you analyze the same in detail on the same day itself. Then whatever the doubts, you get it cleared within the group or through the doubt desk. And one thing which I followed and which was told to me by the mentors, that you prepare your test analysis sheet or a tool where you keep your marks written, okay, section wise, topics wise even. Because if there's something written, okay, you have given 20 marks till now, if you have something on record data, then you can easily see, okay, where I'm going wrong, which are the particular topics which are generally creating a problem for me in terms of my accuracy or not. And you can always set a target, okay, how do I improve in this? So analyzing in detail and preparing a detailed sheet for yourself helps a lot, which has helped me. So you can bank on that at least. And also GDPI preparation, if you don't start now, it can become too overwhelming after December, I must say. So at least a bit you can start is, let's start reading newspapers daily or pick up a book or magazines. So these things, if you develop from now, we are in June today. So 6 months from now, if you have read regularly newspapers and magazines, you'll be having enough content so that it doesn't become too overwhelming after December to prepare everything in 2 months. So YouTube videos I had used for GK capsules. So they are very crisp and to the point. So they help you, okay, a 20-25 minutes video for a week or a month, you can easily see and you can grab up the recent updates which you get. So it is a very handy resource, I must say. Also the portal which we have, the online web portal which we have, is very helpful in terms of analyzing your performance, because it drills down to chapter wise, unit wise, topic wise, your performance, how much you have attempted, how much is your accuracies. And also there are thousands of tests which are available. and at times it is good to start a random topic, random test which you haven't prepared in last 2-3 days, just to test, okay, how far you are or how good you are in these type of topics. So I've tried it many times, starting a quant test randomly, starting a verbal test randomly, so just to test, and this always helps you because the surprise element always tests you thoroughly.